Working in projects and many areas of an organisation demands a lot of our time searching, planning and organising. When we use the wrong forms of communication, this makes it difficult for ourselves and those we connect to. Take for example this man. We'll call him John. John is looking to do some charity work within his organisation. He wants to reach out to other people in order to gain some interest and get support. John is new to organising charity events, so he's looking for advice in the matter, but he does not know who to contact. So he creates an email and sends it to everyone. Yes, John is sure to get some responses back, including some angry ones. Email is the first form of communication we think of, and the worst one to use in most cases. All because for many years it was the only one we had. This has generated a lot of notorious situations and email devils. Such as the reply to all devil, who feels their response is worthy enough for all to read, including the 90% who don't care. We have the junk mail devil. They go around in packs like hyenas or communications teams. They feel it's important that everyone must know what is going on, like the bake sale or the office raffle that is happening in an office hundreds of miles away from you. And then you have the people who do not click reply to an email, but create a brand new conversation, creating the needle in a haystack devil. That's where you spend 5 hours looking for all the correspondence relating to the same project or conversation. And finally, the person who attaches a file to an email and sends it to hundreds of people, creating hundreds of copies of the same file everywhere. For all these circumstances and many more, we have Microsoft Teams. This is a central place for each community or project where we can communicate, share ideas, documents and interact with information so we can be kept informed. Each team centrally holds everything needed to manage the work on any project. John can now create his team so interested members can ask questions, make suggestions and help support John's charity event. Whether John is working from his laptop at home, in the office, or from a mobile phone, or on a tablet, John and his team have access to the information anywhere, at any time, on any device. John can communicate with his team by text conversation. They can call each other to make inquiries. They can meet up online with audio and video conferences from anywhere in the world, sharing information, documents, drawings and applications. Microsoft Teams is the perfect tool in Office 365 to take your projects to the next step, adding content from other apps, sharing them with your entire team or the entire organisation, providing information at your fingertips.